Hi, it's Bartek from Zolmi Salon software. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily set up your online payments with Zolmi. In order to set up your online payments, you will need a Stripe account. When you have your Stripe account, you can easily connect it to Zolmi. After you do so, shown like I show you in the video, you can then collect deposits, full payments, or keep the card on record for future payments. When your online payments get set up in Zolmi, then each of your clients, before they can finalize online booking, they would need to make a payment, either the deposit, full amount, or just save card on record. Now I will show you what you can do with a prepaid deposit when it comes to checking out the client. So in first example, you will see what you can do when there is a no-show and you would like to keep the deposit. In the second example, the client was late, they were a no-show, yeah, but you would like to refund the deposit because it's a good client and you don't want to lose them, right? Zolmi makes it very simple for you. The third example, if a client was on time, the appointment happened, you simply check them out and include the deposit paid before. That concludes how to set up your online payments with Zolmi Salons software. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the comment section below. If you are new to Zolmi and would like to receive a 14-day free trial, scan the QR code on the screen now. To get the latest Zolmi updates on YouTube, subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell.